Good morning, my fellow Americans, and especially oppressed people of color. Today, we got word of a major flood happening at the biggest crypto conference in Dubai. First off, I'd like to thank all the crypto influencers. Every time these influencers go to Dubai, the market nukes. Thank you, influencers, for helping defeat crypto capitalism. This flooding was clearly caused by climate change. So, as of today, we're making all flooding, rainwater, and regular water illegal. Because as one unified nation, we can defeat water together.